Alright, today we're going to bring a micro sander. I'm actually outdoors right now because we're going to be sanding a couple things from that 3D printed. You guys can see, I know it's a 3D print. It comes with stickers. Alright, these are the actual sand paper that you require. They have different heads, different sizes. Right now the default is a circular one, and we're going to replace it with something more sharper because we need spine edges right here. So pretty much we need to rotate some of the inside, and sometimes these sandpapers that I have or these other routers are not capable of handling that part, so we're going to use this sander here instead. So let's go ahead and do that and see how it works. Default was the circular one here, if you guys can see, and these are not metal, they're made of plastic, so they're going to be fragile too, so you got to be careful. So right now we're going to try to do a fine edge, right? And look at these are some weird shapes, but they have them going. We're going to use this one pretty much to sand up and down, and I kind of like this one because it's more like a spatula, if you guys can see that. So we're going to use this one, and they have different sizes of the paper is only one size. That's pretty much what they have, but they have various papers in here, right? And of course you see all the different shapes cut out for you. Now if you're going to replace these, you could do it yourself, but you're going to double-sided tape or some sort of adhesive to grab onto the sandpaper, but they do sell refills online, and to take it off is simple. All you got to do is twist the front here. When it's twisted against, it looks like an awkward shape. That means you can pull the thing out. Right, so we're gonna go ahead and set it up, and if you guys can see the tip, that's where it goes. So let's go ahead and put that one together. All right, we're gonna put one of them together right now. We're gonna get rid of this plastic. We're gonna use the spatula one that I wanted to use, which is this one here. So the way it works, twist it to the side, twist it here, and then all you gotta do is twist it there, and that's it. That's locked in. There's only off and on, no different speeds. I like how it goes, so maybe move it just a little bit to the edge, and there it is. So let's see how well it works. Well, it's not doing a very good job, to be honest with you. The paper right now, real quick, a couple of seconds, if you guys can see that. I'm not very happy with these results. On and off, no speeds, no different speeds at all. I'm not able to control the speeds right now, but I'm trying to get it to work but the sandpaper ran out really quick. It didn't last that long, so hope you guys enjoy the video.